Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company has reported a strong surge in third quarter revenue, driven by increasing demand for artificial intelligence chips. For the July to September period, TSMC's revenue jumped 36.5% year-on-year, reaching $23.62 billion. This significantly exceeded both market expectations and the company's own forecast from July, when it had estimated revenue between $22.4 billion and $23.2 billion. TSMC, a key supplier to tech giants like Apple and Nvidia, has been able to maintain its leadership in the semiconductor industry by capitalizing on the growing demand for AI technologies. This shift has helped the company counterbalance the decline in consumer electronics demand that followed the pandemic-driven spike in sales. In September alone, TSMC posted revenue of $7.83 billion, a 39.6% increase compared to the same period last year. The company's stock has been one of the top performers, rising 72% so far this year, well ahead of the broader market's 26% increase. Shares rose by 1% on Wednesday prior to the announcement of the latest revenue figures. Although TSMC has not yet provided detailed revenue breakdowns, more insights are expected on the company's next earnings call, scheduled on October 17th, where analysts anticipate further details on AI-driven demand and the company's outlook for the future.